knuckle jockers everywhere.
Hey, what's up, Geeks and News? I am here at the Tabletop Room at Blerdcon, and I'm here with...
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, Blerds of all ages, good evening, good morning, good afternoon. It is I, Navymontel, your frosty bearded Blerdcon here with this magnificent, colossal, stupendous cosplayer, friend, slash diva, slash goddess, slash superhero herself, BVI Mermaid, of course, one of my favorite people.
Probably one of the rare individuals who actually could make me blush by just the things that he says.
Don't know what you're talking about.
All right, so we are here at Blerdcon. Tell us, what makes Blerdcon so special? Why is there so much individuals of color, diversity, and integrity actually here at Blerdcon?
Convention's been around for years, but the problem has always been inclusivity. Being able to come to these events and feel like you belong. Blerdcon embodies all of that. For us, by us, events by us, panels by us, workshops, everything by us, for us. So when you create the type of environment, you create a reunion, a cookout, a getaway, a vacation, and a party all at once, where not everybody has to worry about, oh, how am I seen? What do they think of me? No, you don't have to worry about that. And that's what Blerdcon embodies, and that's why I love doing this. I've been here since day one. This is our 9th year.
9th year. Okay, and we're here at the Tabletop Room, and you actually manage and organize the Tabletop Room. Tell us a little bit more about the mindset that you put into it.
We've always loved playing games all our lives, but the problem is gaming tended to shift more towards video gaming and PC gaming, and it's gotten away from coming to a table, taking a board game out, playing with a card game, interaction and connection with other people. And I said, this is a part of the geek and nerd culture. This is part of being a Blerd. So why not have this aspect? And when I came to Hilton years ago and he said I wanted to do this, I said, I'm down for it. So this room has grown from having just 6 board games and a few tables to where it's at now. And I'm proud of how far it's grown. This is a part of what we love, so why not keep it in the swing? And it's been here since day one. Okay,
just tell us a little bit of the board games that anyone who wants to come here in the future, what they can expect to see.
Ooh, well that's kind of a hard question because they range. There are people who like playing Cards Against Humanity. We've got Flux, we've got Munchkin. As you can tell from behind us, we have a huge board game library provided by Atlantis Games and Comics. And it can just encompass anything, whether you like something simple, something more complicated, if you like strategy, if you like goofiness, if you like comedy, if you just want to go on an adventure, you want to save a damsel, it could be anything.
Okay.
Something simple.
Okay, so thank you so much for letting us know a little bit more about this. Are you cosplaying for Blerdcon?
Yes, I will be in my now legendary Master Roshi cosplay tomorrow. So this will be the first year I'm actually debuting my shell.
Okay.
I have a shell, so a friend of mine, Swaggy Cosplay, created it for me. So I'm going to be bringing it here and walk around with it, and people are probably gonna knock me on the back because I'm like, hey, Master Roshi, what do you want? Get away from me, and just keep doing my thing.
Thank you so much for taking the time out and interviewing. It wasn't that bad, right?
No, you're amazing. You're a natural at this. Y'all keep supporting this young lady, okay? She's out here working, hustling, and doing her thing. One of the most creative spirits around. This is why I adore her. Oh, if you want to know what's going on in my lifetime, and if you are really that dangerous, you want to just be that risky, I'm Navymontel across all social media. I have a YouTube. I'm part of Blerd's Eye View, which is a podcast, also a room full of Blerds. But in the meantime and in between time, as I tell all of you beautiful, sexy people, especially this one right here, remember, stay nerdy, stay geeky, and always stay sexy.